is a wonderful blessing, either cloudy or sunny. Each morning stands for new hope, new strength, and new thoughts. With these beautiful lines, I, Jagni, from class 7C, along with my classmates, wish you all a very pleasant morning. Let's all connect with the Almighty, the Creator of the whole world. So all of you please ready for prayer. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the good Lord made them all. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the good Lord made them all. The purple-headed mountain, the river running by, the sunset and the morning that brightens up the sky. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the good Lord made them all. Pledge is a commitment for a promising tomorrow. Now I would request Aryan to lead us with the pledge.
India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In there will be and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Reading news helps us to learn something new every day. It is a source of inspiration and knowledge. For latest news headlines, I would invite Adrit.
Good morning. News headlines today. The Prime Minister will participate in the first India-Israel UAE USA leaders virtual I2U2 summit today. Incessant rains continue to lash Telangana, especially northern districts. Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi will inaugurate Bundelkhand Expressway in UP on Saturday. The central government has announced that the precautionary doses of COVID vaccine will now be available for free to all those above 18 years of age at government-run centers starting tomorrow. India will take on England in the second ODI of the three-match series at Lord's, London today. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Now, to show devotion towards our motherland, you all please get ready for national anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता।